down the back.
Yes, sir. All right. There we go. Not the most graceful.
Hold time. If they're up stuff, just stay there. We're going to get you.
Yes, sir. All right, we're going on for a second run. Again, this is the time to do it right here during first dining. Get up here if you got a later dining time. This is the time to do it. It says 30 minutes downstairs, but as you can see, it's a walk-on. You're not waiting 2 or 3 minutes at this point. This is the time to do it. Ready? Thank you. All right, so let's see. I'm trying to think of good songs with that are about slide. Let's see. Goo Goo Dolls, Slide. So why don't you slide? I don't know. That's the first one that comes right in my head. What is it? Oh, what's the one I'm trying to think of? Slip sliding away. Slip sliding away. Yep. No, I got wet again. Oh! I thought I'd be ready for it.
Hey, get your own plate.
No! Oh! Mickey got me right in the eye.
Why does this keep happening? Who turned out the lights?
All right, for any of you that have done this, what's your favorite of the screens? That one right there is my favorite one, where all the fish light up.
Oh, we made it!
Oh! Oh! Right in the face. And away we go! That is so much fun, but it is too dang short. Oh! That really is fun. Needs to be about twice as long, the actual ride. But that's a heck of a lot of fun. Like I said, be sure or do your best to come up here about this time during first dining.